Hi, welcome to our luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee, and as always, I'm so happy that you're here. Chanel recently celebrated the 100-year anniversary of Chanel No. 5 with a special limited edition collection called Chanel Factory 5. The collection has various pieces that were made to look like the packaging is industrial. I only purchased one item from the collection. I have the mystery box. It was $65 and I ordered it directly from Chanel.com as soon as the collection released. I'm glad I did because I was actually surprised at how fast the items in the collection sold out. You can see it's like a cone type of shape. It also has it's made of paper. It says that it's a mystery box. However, it was listed on the website that it's a hand care kit. And it also listed the items that's inside, which I'm glad they did because that's the reason why I purchased it. Let's open it. There seems to be some type of little opening here. Let's see. Oh, I hope I'm not messing this up. The items in the box includes this pouch with No. 5 Low hand cream. I believe this is supposed to be some type of washcloth, but I don't think I want to open it. And there's also a mini nail file. I will more than likely just keep these two items as collector pieces. I was mainly interested in the lotion. I do have La Creme Main from Chanel. One thing I noticed between the two is that the packaging for La Creme Main is glossy, whereas No. 5 Low is matte. To use the hand cream, it's the top, and there's this little divot here. You just squeeze that. It's a very nice silky texture. I can smell the fragrance, the No. 5 Low fragrance. It's a very nice scent. It feels very moisturizing. It is not, for my liking, it does not have a greasy feeling. It does have a moisturizing feeling. It also feels heavier to me in texture than La Creme Main. La Creme Main has like a lighter, more watery kind of consistency to me. There's also two other versions that I do not have, but intend to purchase in the near future. And then I will do a complete comparison with all 4. Along with my order, there were some free samples that you can select. I chose the number 5 fragrance sample and the number 5 low sample. There was also a free gift at the time that I placed my order. Like I said, I ordered as soon as the collection released in late June, and a little mini fragrance bottle was available as a free gift with the order. This is so cute. I will probably never open this. I like to just keep collector piece items untouched. Along with that, to my surprise, I received this item in the mail as a complimentary gift from Chanel as part of the Factory 5 collection. I am not sure what I did to receive this. I must be on some type of mailing list from previous purchases, which I'm happy that I'm on. And I thought this was just a really cute thing to receive. They look like candles, and I will not open this. I will keep these as little collector pieces. As of now, it seems like a majority of pieces from the Chanel Factory 5 collection have sold out. Hopefully, if you were interested in anything, you will be able to find it at a Chanel boutique. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Thanks again for watching. Bye.